Being a man in today's world is a bit like driving a classic British sports car. Exhilarating, unpredictable, and occasionally prone to overheating. We pride ourselves on stoicism, our ability to fix anything that's broken with nothing but a roll of duct tape and sheer determination, and our unwavering belief that a cup of tea can solve most of life's problems. Yet, as we navigate the complexities of modern masculinity, it's worth pondering between sips of our perfectly brewed Yorkshire tea why the world isn't as straightforward as rebuilding a carburettor or restoring an old workbench. We can bring an engine back to life with nothing but elbow grease and a Haynes manual, but achieving world peace? That seems trickier than getting a straight answer from a sat-nav in central London. Perhaps if global conflicts were settled over a friendly game of darts at the local pub, accompanied by a pint and a packet of crisps, we'd be onto something. After all, it's hard to argue when you're aiming for a bullseye and debating the merits of HP sauce versus Branston pickle. So here's to being a man, embracing the absurdity, cherishing the camaraderie, and holding on to the hope that one day our toolbox approach to life might just fix the world's big issues. Or, at the very least, keep the shed door from squeaking. If you've ever needed a break from the madness of the world, whether it's global chaos or just the chaos of assembling flat pack, Man Things is your safe haven. A place where humour meets hands-on know-how and the only battles being fought against are the rusted bolts and stubborn engine parts. Grab a brew, have a laugh, and let's tinker our way to sanity. This is Man Things.